Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use Clone Stamp tool in Photoshop. Once the tool is active, we can change the size and hardness level, or we can also select it based on the pattern provided. If you want to make additional settings, you can display the clone source window. Even though it's enabled, we can't use it right away. We need to first define the sample area that will be used as a reference for cloning. To do that, hold down the Alt key, then left-click on the area. After that, left-click on the area you want to clone. We can do it repeatedly, or rub it while holding the left click. Besides that, we can also change the position of the sample area by holding Shift plus Alt plus arrow icon. To rotate the sample area, hold down the Shift plus Alt plus left or right angle bracket keys. If you already understand the basics of how to use the Clone Stamp tool, then we can practice it. And this is the result of using the Clone Stamp tool and adding the drop shadow effect. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.